Welcome to the Roth Living Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
Today we're making it count with our chicken zucchini casserole.
Yes, and casseroles are key when you have a busy lifestyle like Mom and I here.
And this casserole hits all the healthy points that we strive to incorporate in all of our recipes.
Yes, like 1 cup of cooked zucchini equals 2 grams of protein and fiber. Well, sign me up for another cup.
Don't forget the vitamin C and magnesium.
You're right, Mom.
And when you think about the ingredients you use in your recipes, look for the ingredients that give you the most value.
Yes, which makes eating healthier easier when you know what you're getting in those foods.
And at Hen House Markets, quality selection, there's no doubt that you're getting the best.
With this recipe, you're simply preheating your oven to 400 degrees, cooking the ingredients and combining them into the casserole dish, baking for about 20-25 minutes or until that cheese is bubbling.
Who doesn't love bubbling cheese? Nothing is as satisfying as knowing that you're using beneficial and nutritious ingredients for you and your family.
Well, serve this creamy, hearty, low-carb casserole with a side salad, and you know what? There you have it.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more healthy, flavorful recipes.
And when you try these at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.